रुचि का अड्डा, रुचि का अड्डा. Don't worry, come on everyone, everyone.
Nature is the best teacher. The phrase nature is the best teacher implies that by keen observation and with an open mind, we can learn a lot from nature. Because nature is beauty. Nature is art and nature is science. ये हमारे मन को, दिल को, आत्मा को रिफ्रेश करता है with vigor and vitality. Nature is a great source of wisdom. Nature teaches us how to be calm, patience, kind, and many more. The best lesson we have learned from nature is to be giver rather than receiver. It gives us sunshine, rain, food, water, shelter, seasons, flowers, much more without expecting anything in return. The most important part is we experience infinite variety, isn't it? Variety is a spice of life. सारे स्वाद मुंह में घुल के क्या आनंद आता है ना. ये तो वही जाने जिसने जीवन का एक्सपीरियंस किया हो. और कोई क्लास अटेंड करो या ना करो, डेफिनेटली you have to attend the class of nature. Nature is the best teacher. Do not miss any classes of nature. Life is amazing. Just look around. How beautiful things are when you are calm, peaceful, really vital, and at the same time very sensible towards things around. So, don't miss any class of the nature. Just 2 minutes. RuchiKaAdda every day. Thank you.
रुचि का अड्डा, रुचि का अड्डा. Don't worry.